Hello everyone, today we are taking you on a tour of Abhee Silicon Shine, which is located in Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. Now let's take the tour of the 3 BHK sample apartment. As we entered, here is the living hall and dining area with the balcony view. It's big and cozy, perfect for family gathering and friend enjoyment, where you can have meal together. Now moving on to the bedrooms. Here you can see the first bedroom with attached washroom. Then here you can see the second bedroom with balcony view. Here you can see the common washroom. Next is the third bedroom with attached washroom. And lastly, here is the kitchen area with utility space. So if you have any questions or would like to experience it in person, so you have to call our property experts at the number given below in the description.